Hey, this is Darren. I want to show you guys something really cool. So I just learned that you can officially take your Figma designs and essentially feed them to an AI coding agent such as Cursor or Copilot. And so I'm just going to demo that really quick because I think this is pretty insane. So let's do this. Here's what I'm going to start with is here's a file. This is just a HTML file, and I asked it, hey, can you make me a login form? So here's a login form, um, and I want to just use my Figma design to change something on this page, right? So here's what we're gonna do. I'm in Figma, and we're just gonna say, because we're demoing Figma MCP servers, let's just say Figma has MCP servers. I'm gonna center it. And here's what we do. We grab, I'm going to right click here, copy as a link to the selection. Link copied to my clipboard. I'm going to go into Copilot here. And here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, here's all this code for that page that we just looked at for my login form, right? And I'm going to say, hey, can you please gut the entire file and just make it look like the Figma frame I'm linking. And I'm going to paste my link to that Figma frame and let it rip. So it says, I need to run this tool to go get some code from Figma. I need to get an image, yada yada. We don't really, for this demo, we're not going to read all this. We're just going to let it do its thing. Continue. Yeah, do your thing, right? I've got it in agent mode, so it's just running off and doing things for me. Copilot's been working on this for a while. Yep, go ahead and continue. And you can see it's going to go edit the code. It deleted a bunch of stuff, and I guess don't mind I have kind of a weird setup for VS Code, but essentially it's writing new code and deleting old code, right? So before I say keep the changes, let's do this. Let's come over here and see how did it do? Figma has MCP servers. Check that out. So if I just go back, this is what we made in Figma, right? And we fed it to Copilot and said, hey, can you make this for me, please? And here we are. There it is. I'm just gonna, why don't we demo like one more thing? I don't know, what would be interesting to make? Let's see here. Make something in Figma. Let's go to Figma. What if we put, I wonder, my favorite emoji is the rocket emoji. What if I put some rocket emojis around here? Can it read that or not? Okay, so I'm going to copy the link again. I'm going to come back. Let's say keep the code. Okay, great. But I changed my design. Can you look at this frame again and update the file for me? I really don't have high hopes of a live demo of something I've not tested like this, but let's just see how it goes. Yep, do your thing. Go ahead and just give it, let it continue whatever it needs to do. Applying edits. And it looks like, okay, so it found that it knows I'm using rocket emojis, right? And it looks like it made some divs and gave them some spacing, right? Okay, so let's go back. Let's hit refresh. Let's go. This is insane. Okay. Anyways, so that's Figma MCP servers. Essentially, you've got Figma. This is Figma Desktop, and you are letting Copilot and its AI agent come in and read your Figma file and generate code based on what it sees, right? So that's insane. That's just about the coolest thing I've seen in a very, very long time. I will go ahead and link the documentation, how to get this running. You need Copilot. And to get Copilot, you need VS Code, which is free. But I guess, yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Hit me up if you want help getting this set up. I think this is awesome. Thanks for watching.